In this video we are going to discuss about selectors in CSS. So now coming to selectors. Selectors means these are used to select the specific things in the CSS. Suppose these selectors are used to select or find the items in the items in the HTML to style them. Now coming to types of selectors, there are few types of selectors. Let's discuss in each with in depth. Coming to simple selector, this simple selector is nothing but selecting the elements with their names, like tags, paragraph tags, heading elements, and all div tags, all elements that are it selects the in simple way with the name. Let's see how it works. See, you can select these h1 and paragraph tag. These are selected by their names. Here we can, in simple selectors, we can also group the selectors with similar styling, like h1, h2, h3 if they have similar style, we can group them and we can apply this styling. And coming to next, it's class selector. Class selector is nothing but selecting the items with the class name. Here we use for class name we use dot to select the class or to select the element before the class name. And for many tags we can use for uh, for for two elements there can be same class, and for single element we can use two different classes, and we need to be careful while dealing with these multiple classes. Let's see how this class works. See these are class names I have given for this paragraph and heading tag. With dot we can style as a class selector, we can select them. And coming to next, it's id selector. It's similar to class selector, but the id selector will be accessed through using hash symbol, and the id selector is also unique for different elements. It's similar to class, but we use hash. See, for this h1 element we use id as main header. So for this main header we use this hash id name as a selector to select the h1 element. And coming to next, universal selector. Here universal selector means selecting the entire styling and entire page and apply the styling. Here we apply universal selector with the star symbol. In computer terminology we call it as asterisk symbol. And if we use universal selector, it applies to the whole application. And if we want to use this universal selector, it's better to use in the starting of the styling, and after that we can modify if any stylings are changes required. And coming to next selector, pseudo class selector. Here pseudo class selector means within the class selector we use some extra elements like focus, hover. Like if we hover the specific thing or any button, it changes its style, like changing the color or changing the text font style, all. Let's see how it works. See, here we use button and inputs as as these pseudo class selectors. Here we use, for button we use hover. If we hover, the background color will be changed to this color and the color will be this. And if we, and this if in this input field we focus on the, we focus, the outline will be changed to this color and border color will be this. And this in this also we can observe the grouping selectors. See, we group the button and input as they are same styling. Let's see how this. See, if we hover the button, it shows the, it changes the style, and if we focus on this, it changes the, its property, its styling. We most of these styles we use in forms like elements. That's all. I think you understand how the selectors works. Thank you.